Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we are going to continue with where we left off last time. And what we're going to look at, if you didn't watch the last video, we touched on init, how to initialize a new class that you've created. So alright, this is the init method. If you're not sure what we're doing, go back and watch that. So now let's think more in depth about rectangles and characteristics and things we want to know about them. We want to know the perimeter and the area. So let's just knock them out. So alright, it's going to do an easy one. Oh, self is always need to be called because this is where you're pulling. This is going to run because you want to run. This is your variable, right? That's how you want to think about this because you've done functions. This is why self goes there. We don't care what it is, just like our X. It's like this is box. Python doesn't care. It goes, hey, you just went here and you want to use this object and I know where it is. So this says throw this information that we just got, put it in here and then run it. So that's why you always call self on a method. That's why we had to call self here and then the other variables that we took. But we already have all the variables that we have when we created it. And this sits here with these variables. And guess what? This is what we're going to use. But really, that's what we're going to use. So because we're wanting to create something, right? We're doing all this work. We just don't want it to print to the screen because right here we just did this to prove that we're doing something. If this is in real life, we'd probably get rid of it. But all right, I just want you to see that when we create this is the only thing that gets run until you call these. That's why I did that. So alright, so the perimeter. Think about what the perimeter is. It's 2 times self width times self length. Now, what's the other one that's important that we use a lot, or what comes to mind in math? Area. Same thing. We have to call self. We have to call what we're going to do. So, okay, think about what area is. It's just the two sides times each other. Oops, and look at what I did. This is supposed to be plus, and this is wrong. I would have caught it later. Hopefully. So, this side times that times that, or 2 times this, but I'm going to use the distributive method. Okay, so area. Then it's just self width times self length. And there we go. Let's run this. And we're going to create our box. Oops, got my cursor in the wrong spot. Call it 3 by 4. So guess what? There's our rectangle, and we want to call our prim method. It's 14, and we want to call our box or our area method, and lo and behold, there we go. This is how you create a new object with Python using the keyword class initiate, and then this is how you write methods for your new object that you just created. So we're going to do several of these. They're going to slightly get more complicated, but this can throw new people off. It threw me off. It took me a long time to get it. I get it. That's why we're going to do this real slow. This is why we broke this up into 2 videos. So alright, thanks for watching. Don't forget to click that like and subscribe button, and most important, that notification bell. And we'll see you next time. Bye guys.